58. Ingratitude. In Numbers 11:1, we read that the people complained. Some translations read, they murmured. The word in everyday English would be rendered, they whined. We're told in Numbers 11:4 that they also wept. They felt sorry for themselves because all they had to eat was manna. God had delivered them from Egypt in slavery, but they longed for their slaves' rations rather than God's deliverance and provision. They were ungrateful. The Psalms repeatedly summon us to be grateful and to give thanks unto the Lord, but too often we prefer to whine rather than to thank God. About 50 or more years ago, an old farmer in the Plains area told me about his grandparents. They had migrated from Northern Europe and settled in a wind-swept and treeless plain. Their fuel was buffalo and cow chips, and their life was hard and meagre. Daily, however, his grandfather thanked God for his blessings and for bringing him to America. I feel ashamed, the old farmer told me, when I recall how little he had and how grateful he was, and how much I have, and how I regularly forget to thank God for his blessings. He concluded, I'm afraid we are becoming an ungrateful people. Surprise someone you love. Express your gratitude to them. Thank God also for His grace and mercy. It will surprise you how much better you will feel. We need one another and we depend on one another. Supremely, of course, we depend on the Lord. Gratitude costs us nothing. Why are we so stingy with it?